Hello everyone, this is Reno Tarot. I'm going to do a reading for you today, and please be reminded that this is a general reading. It may not resonate for all of you. If it does resonate, take it. If it doesn't, leave it to the rest. To those who have already subscribed to my channel, thank you and welcome back. And to those that haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I will appreciate it very much. Thank you everyone, and lucky dusts to you. Pisces, this is your reading for the week January 11 to 17. Reminder lang po, this is a general reading. It may not resonate for all of you, okay? Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe. And sa mga nakasubscribe na, welcome back po. Okay. So, I'm going to be reading your January 11 to 17 Pisces. Spirit guides and angels, show the cards that I need to see for Pisces, please. Show the cards that I need to see for Pisces. Show the cards that I need to see for Pisces, please. Thank you. Pisces. Spirit guides and angels, show me the cards that I need to see for Pisces, please. Okay. So the bottom of the deck is Ace of Cups and Four of Pentacles, or Four of Coins. And Ace of Cups is new feelings or new spirituality. Parang bagong awakening sa'yo. Parang bagong intuition na dumarating sa buhay mo, or bagong pag-ibig. Bagong pagmamahal na lumalabas, bagong emotion ang nadidiscover mo sa sarili mo ngayon. Or perhaps merong tao na nag-o-offer sa'yo ng bagong pag-ibig. Okay? And the Four of Coins is something that you are not accepting this pag-ibig as of the moment. Parang medyo nag-iingat ka, or ayaw mo, you're quite selfish in a way, kasi ang feeling mo itong pag-ibig na to ay kailangan lang sa'yo neto pera, parang ganun. So parang mahigpit ka dito sa bagong offer na ito sa'yo, or bagong taong dumarating. O pwede rin naman na may bagong feelings or bagong emotions na dumating sa'yo. And it's not necessarily na pag-ibig ito para sa ibang tao. It can be self-love. This is thinking about self, and this is love. So it can be self-love also. Now, you have the Hermit in your card. And the Hermit actually is someone who is contemplating. Okay? Trying to search for truth, withdrawing from the outside. This is introspection. Yung inaaral niya o pinag-iisipan niya mabuti ang mga bagay-bagay sa buhay niya. Because you, Aries, have some regrets in the past. or probably now. Someone is someone has lied to you, or you have lied to someone, and these people left you with their treacherous, or you are treacherous. Pisces, you must be thinking and regretting that you have done something wrong with somebody or some people in your life. The Page of Wands, however, is someone who is exploring things, very excited, adventurous, fearless, and always coming up with new ideas. So, I'm not really sure how this can go, but this is a card of lying, cheating, and treachery. But this is a card of very excited person with new ideas in their head at sobrang lakas ng loob. Eto, tao na to. You are working really hard trying to master something, or you are working hard on something, and you are on a defensive mode. This is a defensive mode, or this is also trying to maintain control. You are seeking justice. You're going to have it. You, Pisces, is going to be the from someone who cheated you, you're gonna get justice, okay? You will be striking the situation with clarity of mind, with sharpness, and you are going to decide on the things at hand using logic. Hindi ka magdidesisyon ng tungkol sa ng base sa iyong emotion kung hindi base sa iyong judgment. So, kung merong taong lumoko sa iyo, you will get justice from that. You are persevering, working really hard dahil meron kang pinagsisihan noon. Ayaw mo nang maulit yan, of course. At you are doing something, working hard on your passion, or you are working very hard on something that is going to be beneficial to you. So, well, the bad thing here is you have someone who is treacherous. But, please be reminded that this can also be you. You have tricked someone, you have lied to someone, you have cheated someone, and you are going to, and justice is going to get served. Okay? So whoever did this, lying, cheating, and trick, that person is going to get justice. Either one of the person in your life or it's you. Working very hard, very excited in life. You look like you can't decide. You cannot decide, Pisces. At one point, you are contemplating. At one point, you are very excited. And you are always on a defense mode. But you can't stop working. You're very selfish here. You're selfish. Maybe you don't want to give your love away. You don't want to give your trust away. So you are working on yourself, by yourself, and you are working really hard. Okay? So, something here is a little heavy, but overall, it looks like It's just about you and you alone. But still, being the Queen of Swords, you will be able to rise above the troubles around you. Being a person who is excited and defensive and hardworking, still things are uh, gonna go well for you, Pisces. So let's see your card reading, Pisces. Let's see your card reading. Love reading, sorry. Tingnan natin yung love reading. Playfulness, very soon, release your ex. Mukhang ito po, meron kang ex na ayaw mong pakawalan, ayaw mo siyang bigyan ng pagkakataon na maghanap ng happiness niya. Kailangan mo na pong tanggalin yung toxicity na bumabalot sa relasyon nyo because you need to release your ex. Well, what are you going to do if your ex wanted out? Let him out. Kasi the only thing that will happen is ayaw mong pakawalan yung ex mo pero wala na siyang emotion para sa'yo. Lagi ka lang mag-aalala, lagi ka lang magdududa, lagi ka lang matatakot, and that is a very toxic energy. So it's time for you to release and clear your energy. Just release your ex because very soon kailangan makapag-prepare ka. So you need to know what you want from a person, what kind of relationship you are hoping to get, and when you are ready to decide, that's the time it will come to you. Okay? So to recapture a romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. Well, nababalot ka na kasi ng toxicity para magkaroon ka uli ng zest for life o maging excited ka ulit sa buhay mo, pag-ibig mo. You have to allow your inner youthful. Kung aalisin mo yung toxicity and negative aura mo, then you will become someone who has the spirit of fun and you are going to shine again. So, release your ex, be happy, clear your energy, be positive, and decide what kind of relationship do you want to enter into, and it will come to you. Okay? So, let's see what's the angel is going to say to you. Tingnan natin kung anong sasabihin sa'yo ng ating angel card. Pisces, Pisces, Pisces. Ano po ang sasabihin niyo kay Pisces? Angels and Spirit Guides. Ano ang sasabihin niyo kay Pisces? Shanti, I am the angel of peace. I bring you new tranquility and a smoother road ahead. So, huwag kang mag-alala because Shanti is going to take you to a smoother road and tranquility. So, overall, you need to clear your energy. You need to think clearly. You need to release your ex. You need to be, you need to open your heart again. And things will be better for you because Shanti is going to guide you. Okay? So Pisces, that's your reading for January 11 to 17. Thank you and I'll see you next reading.